What's up, y'all? Dee J back with another video. Now, this is a quick update. As you see on your screen, it's back. It's back. CCF is back, y'all. CCF is back. I had to get around to making a video for you guys about this program because Club Cash Fund, the owner, shout out to him, John Stalvey, he's down in Florida. Back before COVID, this program was booming, okay? And I think John got sick. But God is good. I think he's fully recovered. Just relaunched the program. The program is back. It's running great. And I just want to make an update for all of my loyal subscribers and even the people that are watching this for the first time. If you're just watching this for the first time, make sure you hit that thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, because I'm always talking about ways to get you paid. And this program right here, before COVID hit, it was booming. I made a ton of money with this program. This is an awesome starter program, guys. Awesome starter program for you. Let me get my camera a little focused. It's an awesome starter program, Club Cash Fund. So I kind of want to run through it real quick. I'm not going to break down everything. I just want to kind of, log in my little back office, show you what you can expect if you decide to get started, and let's get to it. So here's how the page looks after you become a member of Club Cash Fund. This program is an awesome program. It's basically like a mail order with a twist, online marketing type of deal, and it comes with actual products. So you're going to get something of value. When you join in opportunities, you want to have some type of informational and educational product, and this is what Club Cash Fund provides, as you can see right there. Get my camera focused, and this is what it can look like for you too. When you log in your back office, you'll have like these little tabs at the top. You see home, you see pro, products, website, marketing, leads, kits, team, and sales. Now, Club Cash Fund comes with 2 informational products right out the gate. This program is $100 to join one time, no monthly fees. And like right here, if I click on products, you'll see standard training modules. This is what you get when you sign up, because it's all about learning. You got to have information. You got to stay in the know. They do have an optional pro membership, and here's the pro training module. Just how it looks right here. You got Instagram marketing, you got mastery, you got LinkedIn, fearless conversations, podcasts, if you guys want to dabble in that, and then YouTube, This is the optional pro membership right here. You can upgrade. See me, I upgrade. I'm at the pro level. I'm at the 1,000 level. And this pays bigger commissions. Club Cash Fund pays $20 commissions. It's basically 5 levels, but you get paid on 3. So you're going to get $20 on your first, second, and third. The 4th goes to admin, and then the 5th goes to the company rotator for all of the pro members. So this is optional. Just want to show you real quick what it looks like. I like this program because they give you recognition. People are getting commissions for upgrading, and it shows all of the pro members that have upgraded. There I go right there. But yeah, it's back. This program, the way that it's set up, all you're doing is, it's this simple. All you're doing is getting people to visit your website that they provide to you to request a kit. That's all you're doing. That's how easy this program is. And I'm going to show you that real quick, because this is my website. I'm going to pull it up. This is my back office. I'm going to log out. What you want to do is you want to bookmark this website right here. So www.getcashinthemail. Getcashinthemail.com. And you're going to see a site that looks like this. All you need to do, put your real name and your email address in. Once you do that, a page is going to pop up that looks like this. Let me get this situated, because this is how easy it is. It takes you literally less than 2 minutes to go on this website and request a kit. Now, the kit is going to contain everything that you need to know about Club Cash Fund. It's going to go a little bit more deeper into the conversation. It's going to look like this. A page is going to pop up like this after you put your name and your email in. Okay? Watch this video. You see that? Watch that video. 2-minute video. After that, all you're going to do, you're going to scroll down and you're going to request your starter kit. This is all that you're doing with Club Cash Fund. Your objective in Club Cash Fund is to get people to request these free starter kits. That is it. Okay? How do you do that, DJ? How do you get people to request starter kits? You have to advertise. You have to market. Just like how I'm sharing this video with you. Okay? We got so many different ways where you can market, online and offline. I'm going to get into the traffic source that Club Cash Fund has available. I like to do drop cards. I just got some drop cards yesterday. Okay? They look like this. I got these little $20 bills. Probably seen these before. And then, give you the full effect. Look how real that looks. I can get you these. And then when people open it up, what does it say? Make hundreds weekly. Turn this fake bill into real cash. Request a free starter kit now. GetCashInTheMail.com. And then my number's there. So if someone gets this and they're serious about getting signed up, getting the information, they can call me. I can build that relationship. You know, it's all about people that know, like, and trust you. And I can teach you how to do the same thing, and you can make a killing in this program. This program can pay out a lot of money, and it's a very low entry program. Again, this program is only $100 to start. Optional pro membership, but highly recommended that you upgrade because you don't want to leave any money on the table. But anyway, all you got to do, you come right here, you fill out your information, and then you click this little box right here. You see that? That's how you know it's me. That's my website right there. Get cash in the mail after you put your name and your email in and request your kit. And your kit will come to you within a week, depending on where you live at in the United States. And once you get your kit, open it up, read through it, get informed. Remember, it's all about getting informed. You got to be in the know. You got to understand what's going on, right? We're living in some different times right now. You know, people out here stressing, working this job, that job. You can do this. You can work from home. You can work this like a regular job and make way more, because there's a sea of people out here that are looking to do something better than working the job. They don't want to keep going to that boss breathing down their neck. They want to do something where they have control. They have time freedom. This is what this can give you, but you got to grab it. All right? So that's how easy it is to get your starter kit. Once you get your starter kit, again, in the mail, you read over it, you decide whether or not you want to join. Excuse me, got a little cough. I want to talk about this traffic source as well. Now, this is for once you become a member of Club Cash Fund. Because remember, like I was saying just now, it's all about getting the kit requests. So Club Cash Fund's partnered with a source, a traffic source. And for those of you who don't know what traffic is, it's all about getting eyeballs. You see my eyes? It's all about getting eyeballs on your website. Serious, not curious people. These ads are placed all over the internet. Traffic's going to it. People request the kit. The kit is assigned to you. That's how you get credit. When they sign up, you get paid instantly. You can do that with Traffic Authority. You see that? This is embedded in Club Cash Fund. So after you become a member, you'll be able to sign up for this like how you see me right here. And I'm going to just log in my little back office to kind of show you what you can expect. And this is what it looks like. And it's very, very user-friendly. They have all of these different traffic packages, starter package, all the way up to Big Thinker, depending on your budget, $135 all the way up to $1,700, right? Remember, this is a real business. This isn't some play stuff. This is a real business. And then you just plug in your website that Club Cash Fund is going to give to you. And then you come over here and you place your order. And now you got people going to your website requesting those kits. And I know you might be saying, well, how do I know if they requesting the kits, DJ? So that's what I'm going to show you right here. I'm going to go back to the main page to log in, because there's a section in here where you can see who's requested the kit from your website. Because see, Club Cash Fund, they give you a back office area where you can log in and you can see what people are actually doing. And then you can come up here and you just click on kits and see, it shows all of the people that are requesting kits. So far I got 12 kits. I got 2 pending in my position 1. 10 kits have already been mailed out. You know, they've already been sent out. And again, that's all you're trying to do. The owner is doing most of the dirty work. He's mailing the kits out on your behalf for free, guys. For free. Anybody that's doing mail order, this is an excellent addition to add to your portfolio, because I do mail order and I know it's expensive. You got to keep buying stamps. Look, I got some right here. You got to buy stamps. You got to print. You got to get the leads to mail to. But this program has it covered for you. The owner's doing most of the work, and that's what I like. This is an excellent entry-level program, mid-ticket, big ticket too, because you can upgrade, and you can make some pretty good money with this if you take it seriously from the jump. So, again, I just wanted to share this program, give you a quick update on everything, all right? And I encourage you to get started. I really do. This is an excellent program, Club Cash Fund. Again, make sure that you go to this website right here, getcashinthemail.com. Getcashinthemail.com. Again, getcashinthemail.com. Request your free starter kit. Your kit is going to come to you within a week or sooner. Open it up, read through the material, soak up everything. If it makes sense, sign up, follow the steps to get signed up. If you want to expedite the process, there's a way that you can expedite the process to get started quicker. All you got to do is reach out to me. Everything will be in the description box of this video. I also have a video that I put up that explains, well, how does Club Cash Fund work? Okay, a little bit more thorough. Another gentleman did the video, but I'll put a link to that in the description box in this video. Okay, read through it, watch it, soak up everything, and get started. Don't procrastinate, guys. This is a great program. Single mothers, fathers, retirees, kids in college, whoever you might be, your demographic, doesn't matter. You can make money in this amazing program. This is a U.S.-based program only, though. No international people, unfortunately, but this can pay really, really big. So, I'm going to sign off for Club Cash Fund. Again, make sure you request your free starter kit. It takes you less than 2 minutes to request your free starter kit at getcashinthemail.com. And I'm going to see you on the next video. Peace out for now, and let's make money with Club Cash Fund. Peace out.